Hi there, my name is Isaac Oster, and in this tutorial series we are going to look at basic poly modeling tools and operations in Maya. That's going to include everything here in the Edit Mesh window, mesh tools. We're going to look at the modeling tools, which has a lot of overlap with what's going on over here in the Edit Mesh and mesh tools. We'll look at mesh display, and we'll be doing a bit of UVs, some work with materials, and perhaps some other content as well. We'll see how far we get. But to begin, you're going to need to get your hands on Maya. And just in case anybody out there doesn't already have their copy, if you are a student, you can get a free copy of Maya via the Autodesk website. So just go to Autodesk. I think probably Googling something like Autodesk Educational Maya will take you to this page. You will need to create an account with Autodesk, and you will need to, I think, probably prove that you're a student. I had to go through a little bit of an operation as an educator. But it's fairly simple, and then you just come over to Maya and just go through the installation process. It's fairly straightforward. There's some additional stuff in there that you can add if you want. It's not going to cost anything to include it or to not include it. You can always come back and turn it on later if you'd like. So that's how you get Maya. And then once you have Maya running, this is, by the way, this is Maya 2020 that I'll be working with here. I don't expect, if you're dealing with a later version, for there to be too many differences. The stuff is pretty standard issue. These days, the poly operation stuff, it hasn't changed a whole lot. They do occasionally add new features, and if something really cool comes up, I'll be sure to add an addendum to the tutorial. So anyway, when we have Maya open, the first thing that you need to do is, just to make sure you're looking at the same thing that I'm looking at, is go ahead and select the Maya Classic workspace. And then over here, you want to make sure that you're sitting on the modeling sub menu set, whatever that's called there. And that'll make sure that you've got all the same stuff. There's going to be a lot of shelves, and there's like a lot of menus. The way Maya was described to me when I was first learning it is it's like a very well organized workshop, and you just kind of have to learn where stuff is. So we'll just start with the stuff that we need to do these first basic lessons here, and we'll add more as it becomes relevant to whatever it is that we might be playing with. So that is going to cover the installation and the UI setup. I'm going to go ahead and also in this video I'm going to cover the camera controls. And to do that, just to make it easy to see what's going on, I'm going to go ahead and add a cube. So go to Create, Polygon Primitives, and Cube. And if I want to rotate around the cube, what I need to do is hold Alt and left mouse button. And you might be able to tell that I'm not actually pivoting around the cube. It seems like I'm pivoting kind of a little bit over here. So if you want to center the pivot, you can just simply tap the F key. This will also frame, it'll frame whatever your selection is. And now my camera is rotating around the selection. In this case, it's just an object, but it can be a group of objects. If I want to zoom, there's a couple of options for me. I can either use my middle mouse scroll wheel, and I don't need to hold any keys on the keyboard for this, or I can hold Alt and the right mouse button up and down will zoom in and out. So there are two options for zoom: the middle mouse scroll or Alt and the right mouse button. And then if I want to, I think this is called pan, you could just hold the middle mouse button down and the Alt key. So this is middle mouse button down, not scrolling, just press down, and the Alt key. Now you may have an Apple mouse, and if that's the case, I don't actually know what the options are. I assume there's probably something similar to this. If you can get a 3-button mouse, it'll make this process a little easier, although I'm sure that people are able to function somehow with an Apple. So and also Maya is obviously available for installation on Apple computers. Okay, so that is installation, UI setup, and basic camera controls, including tapping the F key to frame your selection. So in the next video, we are going to talk about creating primitives, and we may get to polygons versus NURBS, which is just two categories of geometry that you can access in Maya.